I've been at CRC for 7 years.
I've been working here for about 9 years.
I've been at CRC for 19 and a half years.
I've been with CRC Distribution for almost 17 years.
I've been working at CRC for 10 years.
I'm in my 8th year at CRC.
I've been with CRC 27 years.
CRC is customer-centric, and it starts with all of the team members that are involved in the process.
Everybody at CRC Distribution is going to care first and foremost about the customer. We care about what the customer is doing on their end. We want to help them in any way we can. We are here to be an advocate for the customer and help them get material and services for whatever they're looking for. The sales team, the warehouse team, and anybody in between here at CRC Distribution works tirelessly to help each other out, to come up with solutions in order to get the customer back up and running.
Yeah, I mean, it's a pure teamwork environment here at CRC. We started out as a smaller company. We've grown and grown, but the one thing that's stayed great in the evolution of CRC is the culture at CRC. It's a family atmosphere. People know one another very well.
And, I've grown up around them, being a young kid starting out here and still being able to come to work every day with the same people 10 years later, really gives you some comfort and security knowing that you can trust the people you work with. You can lean on them and you can ask them for help when you need it.
One of the best things about working at CRC is the sense of family we have. We all look out for each other, we take care of each other, support one another. The relationships and the friendships we have, it just makes us a really good team.
It's been 27 years of fabulous joy and fun, and I appreciate all of our customers.
There's a lot of pride in doing my job to the best of my ability every day. And I do see that reflected in members of this team. And that's what we are here. We are a team, we are a family.
Here at CRC, we treat everybody as family. Every customer is as important as the other customer. Please give us an opportunity to quote your requirements. We will take care of you in this family-oriented atmosphere of CRC Distribution.